I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi folks, my name is Barbara D. I work here in Trailers and Vans, and I'm going to show you the Coachworks Panther. What a super nice little trailer. It's only 18 feet long, about 21 with the tongue. It's a rear bathroom with a slide. This is a bargain. It's a used unit that we're offering at $17,999, about $125 a month in a standard structure. It has a small slide for extra room. It's dual axle, has a power tongue jack, has a nice big patio awning, which is fantastic, and a spare tire. When you go inside, you're going to see that it's got a beautiful walk-around bed with windows and closets on each side. A nice big horseshoe dinette, so lots of folks can sit down and enjoy a terrific meal. Has a great big fridge, a range with an oven and a microwave. It's got a little corner lavatory, and I say little, it's not all that little, but it's in the corner. And it is sporting a nice shower and a sink, of course, and some storage. It offers a porcelain toilet, and that corner shower is just going to be handy dandy. It's lots and lots of room. So the best, this thing's got a great price point on it. It's got a great length on it, and it will sleep a family comfortably. So give me a call. My name is Barbara D. I'm out here at Trailers and Vans, and my telephone number is 541-521-4232. Please give me a call or come on out and say hi. Thank you.